Hey guys, I am standing in front of one of my great new listings here in the Lake Travis area, 905 Barrie Drive. It's located in the preserve at Lakeway. If you'd like to see more photos, get more information, and see some pricing, visit 905barrie.com. That's BARRIE.com. And in the meantime, let's take a look inside. For more information on this or other homes in the Austin area, call me at 512-994-4463. Or you can reach me through my website, frankwestsellshomes.com. And keep in mind, buy, sell, or invest, think Frank West.